Welcome back to Ayaz Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Google Analytics with WordPress. Before we proceed, if you did not subscribe my channel yet, then please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any notification. So let's begin. This is a really simple and easy process. You can easily integrate the Google Analytics with your WordPress. So I will uh, create an account in Google Analytics and I will also install a plugin in the WordPress. So this is my current website in WordPress, and I am going to install a plugin as a first step. So go to your dashboard of your website and go to the plugins area and click on the add new button. Now type Google Analytics. And here you will see GA Google Analytics. Click on the install now button. Now click on the activate button. After activating the plugin, click on the settings link and go to the plugin settings area. Here you need to provide some information to configure this plugin so that you can integrate the Google Analytics. So before filling this form, we need the data that we need to fill in this form. So for that, open the Google Analytics, type Google Analytics and open here. Now click on this button, start measuring. Now here you need to provide the account name. You can provide any name, whatever you prefer. I'm going to use the same name that I have for my website. You can choose any name, whatever you prefer. So, and now just click on the next button. And here you need to type the property name. I will again type the name of my website. Now click on the next button. Here you need to provide some basic information about your business, like your industry category. I would select the computer and electronics. Then you need to specify that what is the size of your business. Just select whatever suits you, but I'm going to select the small. And how do you intend to use Google Analytics with your business? You can tick all of these or you can tick anyone. So for example, I want to uh, for example, you want to measure the content monetization, you want to analyze, you want to measure the lead generation or whatever you prefer. Just click on the create, and here you need to accept their terms and condition by clicking on the check button and click on the I accept button. Now it is asking you for some configuration for the email communication, like suggestions and updates, feature announcement, feedback, testing, offers from Google's. You can check them if you want by reading the details, or you can just click on the save button. Okay, now this you are inside the admin area of your account. Here you need to select as a next step, you need to select a platform. So as in this video, we are working on a website. So that is why we will click on the web platform. Here, you need to provide the protocol and the domain name. At this time, the protocol of my domain is HTTP because it is not, it is showing not secure. That means it is using HTTP. If your domain has the HTTPS protocol, then you should keep using HTTPS. But for now, I'm using HTTP, and here I am going to provide the domain name. So my domain name is ayaz.xyz, and here you can provide a name. I will just use the same name as my domain name. You can use anyone. Now click on the create string. So after you see this message, this page, then you are done. You just need to copy this measurement ID and go back to your WordPress plugin settings page. And here you need to select the global site tag. And now in the GA tracking ID, paste the ID that you just copied from the Google Analytics. Okay, here you need to select, decide if you want to load it in the header footer. I will just select WP head, and let's keep other thing as it is. Now click on the save changes. All right, now your Google Analytics is configured and integrated with your WordPress website. So now you can start uh, testing it. You can, if you want to test if it is really working, just click on the home button and click on the real time. At this time, you can see it is not showing any live users because I did not open any web page yet. I'm going to open the website, click on the visit site, and you can see now you are visiting the website. And if you go back to the analytics, then you should see some reaction here. So sometimes it takes few seconds to load the data, but it will start working very soon. So I will just browse some pages to see if it detects. Actually, it already has detected that there is a user that is visiting this page, and it is showing you the title of the page. So it is also telling you that there are total 1 users who are visiting your website in real time. If you open a different page, then it will show that uh, result as well. For example, you clicked on the uncategorized category, then you will see page not found pages, and Google Analytics will detect that. If you look at this, it will shortly show you the title of the new page that you just opened. So now you can see, now it is showing the new page in the list as well that you just opened. It is saying that somebody is visiting your page, that and the name of that page is page not found. And similarly, you can keep visiting, and it will keep showing those updates in the Google Analytics. So this was really simple method of using Google and using and integrating Google Analytics with your WordPress. Google Analytics is very vast field. It has a lot of configuration, a lot of features, and it deserves a full course at this time. In this video, I just wanted to show you only this topic, that how you can easily integrate analytics with the WordPress. So that's all I wanted to show you in this video. If you found my video useful in any way, then please don't forget to subscribe my video and click on the bell icon if you don't want to miss any notification, and also like my video, comment and share. Thank you for watching my video. Hope to see you later. Take care. Bye.